Hi guys, this is Sharvin from WPorts TV, and as you know, recently we attended WordCamp Asia, and 15 plus members from our team also attended WordCamp Asia, and some of them were volunteers, some of them were organizers, and we also got a chance to be media partners for the WordCamp Asia, and everyone else was attendee over there. So we have a few people from the team in office today, and let's get a bite from them about their experience of WordCamp. कुठे गेले सगळे? Hello, tell us about your WordCamp experience.
भाई तुम लोग ऐसे सरप्राइज दे दे के बात करोगे तो हो गया. वर्डप्रेस एक्सपीरियंस रंग दे ऑरेंज था. बट आई थिंक वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, ह्यूज, समथिंग वी नेवर सॉ बिफोर इन टर्म्स ऑफ वर्ड कैम्प सेशंस. मैंने ज़्यादा अटेंड नहीं किए, बट आई थिंक ओवरऑल इंटरेक्शन जो मेरे हुए लोगों से, विच इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट, कि मैंने काफ़ी टाइम स्पेंड करके बातें करी लोगों से, एट लेंथ बातें करी, अलग अलग तरह की अलग अलग डिस्कशंस किए, कुछ लाइक लर्निंग के, कुछ आगे फ्यूचर के, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हाउ टू रन बिजनेस से लेके एसईओ से लेके एआई तक सब कुछ डिस्कशन हुआ. आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट. ओवरऑल आई थिंक इंटरेस्टिंग 4-5 days.
एक आध कोई स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल है किसी का, कुछ कोई एनी लर्निंग दैट हैपेंड वो सब बातचीत से, कुछ ऐसा इंसाइट जो काम का हो.
काम का हो वो मेरे काम का है एक्चुअली, वो जनरलाइज नहीं है, सो आई कैन नॉट से. मतलब ऑब्वियसली मैं जैसे सेल्स की बात हुई तो वो आई एम नॉट एबल टू डिस्कस ऑब्वियसली. ठीक है.
Right. So, sir, you are organizer for the event. So, please
Yeah.
let us know your experience.
Organizer, this was second time organizing WordCamp Asia, right? And it was busier as it was last time. I thought as a volunteer, team lead, co-lead, I will have more time on my hand to interact with people. But it seems I was wrong. 3 days went out in blur. Though I did had some talks, but it was mostly I was just running around here and there. So this is one WordCamp Asia where I actually didn't had any long conversations, just short conversations with lots of people, but they were all short conversations.
So, this was the first WordCamp where a lot of people from our team were attending.
Yes.
So, how was that for you?
How was that for you? That was good, So I'll say thanks to Suhas and Sanjana and Ashutosh that they finally got people to attend WordCamps. Otherwise, people were not willing to attend WordCamps even in Pune. But this year, even when WordCamp Pune happened, a lot of people went there. Then those guys, when they came back to office and they talked about their experience, we had more people volunteering to attend WordCamp Asia. So yeah, that was good. I mean, I'm quite happy that team decided to attend WordCamp Asia, and yeah, I mean, that's
Thank you.
about it.
ये पकड़ एक मिनट. So it was awesome. Yes. It was awesome, and this was my first flagship event that I attended. So anybody who is looking for, a good network in tech, they should attend such WordCamps, and be it local, be it national, international, whatever they can. And yeah, I was pretty overwhelmed by seeing the crowd plus their energy and the interactions we had with almost everyone, Indian, international. It was something to learn, and yeah, I enjoyed all the 3 days. The food was amazing, and yeah, we had a really great time.
What was the most fun part of the event for you?
Fun part for the event, I think the after party, I would say. I mean, we DJ'd hard. सो पूरी मेहनत करके हम जब वहाँ गए, एंड फिर उसके बाद वी डिड ऑल दैट वी हैड प्लान्ड. सो उसके बाद जो हमने डीजे किया, आई थिंक इट वाज वर्थ इट.
So you talk to a lot of people in the sponsor. You talk to a lot of people in the sponsors area, right? tell us about that experience talking to new people uh, for the first time. How was that? What kind of response you got?
Okay, so as an HR, I thought I was taking their interview. It was more in that format only. But yeah, that was something new for me to go on
Mhm.
individual booths, and कुछ companies के नाम मैंने सुने नहीं थे. That was the first time I heard it over there, and I was very amazed how they were so passionate about their work. And I would say that everybody who is into WordPress should know some major keywords, what work they are doing. Like सीखो. जो- if you have seen that program, लोग जो booth पे थे, how they were like explaining it to others.
Mhm.
And like I'm sure you remember the Elementor wala scene, there were
Yes.
people who immediately helped the ones who came with the query to them. So yes, that was amazing.
Thank
I'm
you.
running out of words, so you can figure out like I'm still trying to recall each and every day.
So now over to you.
Okay.
How was your experience?
Okay. So basically, I love going to WordCamps just because I get to talk to a lot of people. I like to enjoy and experience the things they bring to the table. And in the sponsor hall, I talk to companies and people from different countries, different backgrounds, and they all came together for a picture which was WordCamp Asia. And I met a lot of new people, learned new things about. Most of them never had been to India, and this was their first time experiencing the Indian culture, the Indian food, which I think it was pretty good because they got to experience a lot of new things. And I made sure some part where I had, to contribute and bringing our culture to them, our food culture to them. I got some candies for them, and they enjoyed.
I was going to ask you about the candies.
Yeah.
Go tell them their experience and how was their reactions.
Yeah. So what I did was I got some Imli candies for them, and I made all the international people try it because they never had tamarind candies in their country, and they never had a candy which was infused with spice. So when I got those candies for them, initially I got a lot of mixed responses. Some of them liked it, some of them found it to be spicy, and some of them really, did not like them. So yeah, it was a unique experience. It was the idea of candies was given by someone international as well. And yeah, I loved talking about my interests and shared hobbies with different people. Thank you.
So now it's time for you to go.
So tell us about your experience in WordCamp Asia. And as you were also a media partner over there, what were the new things and interactions you had faced?
So, WordCamp Asia was happening first time in India, and we were all very excited. And especially, I've been a media partner in Taiwan, in Philippines. This was my third time, so it was a hat trick kind of a thing. But what changed this time was that the Indians, especially, I mean, we W Poets had around 17 people who had gone out there. So these people were very excited, and I'm dead sure that they got the exposure that people don't usually get when it comes to WordCamp Asia or an international event, and
Mhm.
it's happening in Mumbai, so definitely. And along with that, a lot of other business owners and agency owners and maybe freelancers, they came out there. They wanted to talk about their experiences. In fact, I saw that more than earlier days, sponsors booth was a very important place in WordCamp Asia's. But this year, I saw that it was an equal when it came to talks also.
Mhm.
So people very interested in talks. People came to us who have been in the previous WordCamp Asia's and talked about the fact that the talks are really interesting. So yeah, I mean that was the difference, if I may say, experience slash difference of happening WordCamp Asia in Mumbai, and hoping. And as you guys know that WordCamp India has been announced, so we're kind of hoping that WordCamp India is going to be as big as WordCamp Asia. But next year, yeah, it's going to be happening in. I guess it's happening in Malaysia.
Malaysia.
So yeah, 2027. The website is up. People are looking out for the organizers. So if you guys are interested in organizing WordCamp Asia 2027, then you should go and apply on WordCamp Asia 2027's website. And see you in Penang.
Thank you.
Suhas, tell me about your WordCamp Asia experience. This was your first flagship event, right?
Yeah,
So
this was my first flagship event. So last year I joined the WordCamp Collab and उसके बाद मैंने एक एशिया के लिए जा रहे. So maybe आप आप थे वहाँ पे
हम्म।
जो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग लीड थे इंडिया से एशिया के लिए जाने वाले। और
Yeah,
सो आप, मेहर एंड आई थिंक वचन,
yeah,
यू आर
Vachan
थ्री
was there.
पीपल्स या। तभी मैंने देखा कि एशिया का है, तो या दिस इज वॉज कोलाबोर और फ्लैगशिप इवेंट कैसा बढ़िया और बड़ा होता है, और जो फिलीपींस में हुआ। एंड आई वाज कि जब फिलीपींस में जब हुआ था, वो
Yes,
लाइव देखा था, और उसमें लास्ट ईयर उधर अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था। सो अनाउंसमेंट देखा कि नेक्स्ट होस्टिंग सिटी इज़ मुंबई,
Mumbai. Yeah.
इंडिया। सो मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड था कि अगर इंडिया में फ्लैगशिप हो रहा था, आई वाज बी अटेंडिंग एंड वॉलंटियरिंग देयर। सो तभी से मैंने वो मेरा
हाँ, वो तो
ऐसा
मुझे
दिन,
पता है कि you have been pinging me कि volunteer form कब open हो रहा है.
या सो
So tell me about your volunteering experience this year.
तभी से मैंने स्टार्ट किया। जस्ट जब भी फॉर्म रिलीज़ हुआ वॉलंटियर का भरा, आफ्टर दैट फोटोग्राफी वॉलंटियर में मुझे जो इंटरेस्ट था मेरा फोटोग्राफी वॉलंटियर, उसमें मुझे पार्ट लेना बहुत बढ़िया मिला, क्योंकि फोटोग्राफी वॉलंटियर्स भी ओपन हो गए लेटर। उसमें मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया, और जो एट द मोमेंट की जहाँ पे मैं गया टीम मिली, फोटोग्राफी टीम से काफ़ी, सो बाहर के कंट्री से भी फोटोग्राफर्स आए थे
Yeah, yeah.
इवेंट्स पे। सो जस्ट नेपाल, इंडोनेशिया, मलेशिया, सो इंडिया से भी काफ़ी फोटोग्राफी वॉलंटियर्स थे, सो उनसे मिला। एंड फ्लैगशिप इवेंट कैसा वो मैनेज करते हैं, कैसी तरह चलता है, ऑन द स्पॉट फोटोग्राफी जो करनी हो, कॉम्स को भेजना हो, या टीम से कैसे बात करें। आई मेट द लॉट ऑफ पीपल देयर, कि उनसे बात की, कुछ नया सीखने के लिए मिला। हमने ऐसा होता है कि अगर एक फोटोग्राफर है और उसके
हाँ.
पास कुछ इनफ गियर ना हो, जैसे मेरे पास कैमरा है, मेरे पास वो लेंस नहीं, सो एवरीवन पीपल की आस्किंग तुझे क्या कौन सी लेंस चाहिए, क्या कुछ चाहिए, क्या ये ले ले, यूज़ कर ले। सो वी आर कोलैबोरेटिंग ईच अदर्स
Nice. So
एंड
you guys shared the gear
शेयर
to
द वी आर
use.
शेयर द गियर्स, वी आर द शेयर द टाइम्स, एंड होल टाइम वी आर फिक्सिंग कि हर एक का मोमेंट हम अच्छी तरह कैप्चर करें।
So, well, that was the good part of the story. Was there any challenges in that? Yeah, it was kind of smooth.
इट वॉज चैलेंजेस बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम्स एंड समन की सब कुछ मैनेज करना था। वॉलंटियर्स भी फोटोग्राफी में थोड़ी कमी थे, सो इनफ
Huh,
इनफ
there were
वॉलंटियर्स,
less. I know,
आई नो इनफ वॉलंटियर्स
based
थे,
on the number of
बट
schedules we had, number of photography
बट
volunteers was definitely less. So yeah.
या बट देयर विल बी स्मूथ। मोस्टली मैं कहूँगा कि स्मूथ ही गया, क्योंकि हर एक अपना काम कर रहा था, हर एक अपना एक्सपीरियंस दे रहा था। और हाँ, मैं मोस्टली तो ऐसा था कि मेरा कि जहाँ कोई कम था या कोई वॉलंटियर ना हो या जिधर ज़रूरत पड़े, वहाँ पे मैं जाके हेल्प करता था।
So you did photography all 3 days.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, tell me, you also were part of the comms team before the.
What
So
before
before
the event.
the day of event
Yeah.
when you became photographer.
Yeah.
So how was your experience
Yeah,
working with comms team?
the comms team reached me, yeah, so as you can make the videos for us for
Yeah.
promotion. So that time I was not time for, because I पहले उससे ज़्यादा मेरे पास काम थे काफ़ी सारा, ऑफिस का काम था मेरे थे। सो मैंने 3 वीडियो बना के दिए थे। सो उसमें तीनों के तीनों काफ़ी अच्छे वीडियो बने थे और काफ़ी बढ़िया व्यूज़ गए थे। सो मोस्टली आई मेक फॉर द वन वीडियो स्टैम्प का वीडियो जो मैंने बनाया था। उससे पहले एक वाई शुड यू अटेंड द वर्ड कैम एशिया, वो एक वॉइस ओवर और पिछले साल के कुछ वीडियोस थे फिलीपींस के, वो यूज़ करके मैंने एक बनाया था। और इससे एक सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो मुझे वो लगा था कि वर्ड कैम्प पे आने से पहले पैकिंग आप कैसे करें।
Yes, and I know a lot of people missed watching that reel and they paid for it in cold.
या मैंने उसमें मेंशन किया कि जैकेट पहन के आना, एसी बहुत कोल्ड है, बट
Exactly. I remember seeing that and I was like, good, someone has mentioned it. And then on first day when I was there, right, and I saw people feeling the
फीलिंग जैसे
cold.
कॉन्फ्रेंस व्हेन कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल चल रहा था और इतना एसी लग रहा था, वो कोल्ड चल रहा। सो वी आर थिंकिंग, सो वी आर की डब्ल्यू फर्स्ट ने तो अपनी जैकेट लेके आ गए थे।
हाँ, इसीलिए किया था हमने क्योंकि मुझे पता था कितनी ठंडी पड़ने वाली है वहाँ पे. Okay, I guess she is free. Go ahead.
ओके, थैंक यू।
So this was your first WordCamp
Yes.
flagship event, जो बड़ा हुआ था WordCamp Asia. So tell us about your experience and what all new things you got to learn from WordCamp.
It was an amazing experience. It was an amazing experience. That was I have learned a lot of new things regarding development, best practices, and like WordPress development, and like I have attended the multiple sessions. So I have learned the multiple things that I have used in my I can work in my work. So learned a lot of things, and I have really enjoyed it.
And what was the most fun part about the WordCamp?
After party event.
After part.
Yeah.
There we go. Thank you.